Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about TCL Roku TV black screen with sound, fix, how to reset, no feature. Fix 1. Power cycles the TV. Disconnect the TV from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect the TV to the power outlet and turn it on. Fix 2. Check cable connections. Ensure all external devices like cable boxes or streaming devices are properly connected to the appropriate ports and are powered on. Unplug and then reconnect the cables to confirm secure connections. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. Locate the physical reset button on your TV. With the TV powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 12 seconds. Release the button when the status indicator turns off and then turns back on. Fix 4. Contact TCL Support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's advisable to reach out to TCL customer support for further assistance. The link for TCL customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen. Here you can type your question or product model number so that you can get the help. Or you can call by clicking here and can also mail from here. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us by pressing the bell icon.